Hi everyone, this is Carol with Formic Force. This is a little clip that I'm going to add to the stuff I was filming yesterday, which I had to interrupt because we ran into so many issues, so many hiccups, so many delays and setback yesterday. It is ridiculous. We walked out of there bummed, defeated, because we didn't get as much done as we had projected to do, just because we ran into so many ridiculous issues with the drywall, either liquid nail or 2.5 inch, like 30 or 40 screws screwed onto the studs. So yeah, it's a new day and I have to do an hour a day every day until all the demolition is done. So here I am trying to motivate myself to get up there and get it done. So I will be hopefully filming a clip of today as soon as I get out of my bed. See how motivated I am? So look at all the liquid nail on these. Go ahead, hon. I think they got big old screws at the top because it doesn't want to come loose.
They don't rotate staples up there.
Hulk smash has got it. Nah, those are screws. Look at all the holes.
Oh yeah.
So, drywall and insulation are off the wall. Now we gotta saw the wall. Saw 2x4s. Hopefully not ruin the wire. Get it all out of the staples and box.
Back something so my arm don't get decapitated.
About to see Hulk smash full action. Let's go. Timber. All this stuff off. All right, y'all. So this wall right here was the wall to the communication room. The room that was really, really dark, and I wasn't able to work because it's just literally a box where they kept all their internet and telephone lines and whatnot in there, and I'm about to show you. So before I opened up the wall, you would walk in and it was a dark room, and it was just really hard to work in there. So I decided to remove the drywall. I had to do that anyway because we're redoing the electrical. And this is the big plywood that was screwed onto the drywall, and it had all their stuff right here. Honestly, this is some serious stuff. This is the office, so I'm assuming this is like high-speed internet, breaker box. I don't know, y'all, but it was like their security system. Right there. So yeah, I had to remove that drywall, which is also 1/2 inch thick, and then bust this because there was no way to get in it. They prefabbed the 2x4 walls right here, and so I'm assuming they did one side of the wall first, and then they screwed in the 1/2 inch drywall. So then they put this wall in front of it, which made it really impossible for me to screw these out. So I had to bust it. But now I can work in there, y'all. I can finish removing the molding, take the door and the door casing off, and the lights, and redo my electrical on this wall. So yeah, pretty excited about that. And this whole entire section is opened up. Now, when we bring our LVLs, we'll bring them in that window right there and lay them right here, and we can work. Still gotta bust this side of the wall, but so far so good. Hi everyone. I'm super duper tired, so I'm gonna take a break from pulling the drywall off the walls, and I'm gonna start removing staples and nails off of our 2x4s that we removed the wall frame today, and we're gonna reuse them for another project or something else. So here's how I do that. They're in really great shape. And I don't see why I can't reuse them for the framework. Okay, so this is what we got done yesterday. We removed that wall, got some drywall off the exterior wall, opened it up. I removed this wall right here just so that I can have some light and be able to work in here and get all the molding off the top, and then remove the drywall and the door as well. That room was the communication room, and it was really dark and hard to work in, and also hot. So next time I work, I have to come in here and I have to remove this wall. This is not a load-bearing wall, which means that I will have to remove the drywall and also the frame because it opens up to the dining room. And I'm also removing that wall. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to have a lot of room to work for whenever I'm installing the LVLs on that wall.